Ke kopa hore o bitse ausi o le, please don't leave the stage as we call one lady biker to come and do what she needs to do and say
Yes, please. We have a lady biker in the house. Kikopa Os Sugar Plums. Where is she? Where is she? Yes, girl! Women in male-dominated spaces. This is my language. So she's here, and she's gonna be talking about something that is close to my heart. And I think since we're all here out of goodwill and we're here to spread the gospel, she's going to tell us about bikers who stand tall, strong, and firm and say no to GBV. We will not only pledge resources, we'll also pledge our principles and morals and beliefs and what we stand for. We will pledge and say no to GBV. Thank you.
Can our lady bikers, biker queen and Miss May, please come on stage? Le wa bontsha hore Dimpo, bomme ba palama di bike. Ke kopa le tleng le tlo mmontsha hore le kgona le lona la palipali. O shapo man. Askies. Stage fright. Please come, Miss May, come on stage. Ay, wa nkoma. And these are the legends. They've been riding for so many years. I've not even reached their age. You know, Miss May, while they are still coming, Miss May, she has always, I've always wanted to bring her on stage. Tafrigo. I've always wanted to bring Miss May on stage and she has always refused, but today I found a strategy. Okay, over to you ladies.
Thank you, leadership. Dimpo, Dino, Waka leadership. Everybody here, good evening, family. Today I'll be talking about the masks we need to see through. I want to talk about something that we see every day, yet we struggle to truly see. Men and women who abuse their partners are not always the monsters we imagine. They are not always the loud, the angry ones. Sometimes they are the friendliest person in the room. The one who greets everybody when he enters the room with a smile. The one who is humble, who's well-mannered, such a nice guy, such a sweet lady. And that's exactly how they get away with it. Because abuse doesn't always show up in bruises, it doesn't mean it doesn't exist. Sometimes it's silent, it's control, it's guilt disguised as love. Sometimes it's manipulation wrapped in patience. It's the I'm only trying to help you, while slowly isolating someone or your family or your friends. You're overreacting until that person starts to doubt their own reality. Behind closed doors, respect becomes ridicule, love becomes possession, warmth becomes fear. And here's the cruelest part: when the victim finally speaks out, the world often says, "But he's such a good man. But you'll never do that." I've never seen that side of them. And that disbelief, it's prison. So let me say this clearly: if someone says something is not right in their home, believe them. Whether it's a woman crying quietly in the bathroom or a man suffering in silence because society told him it's not allowed to be a victim, believe him. Because abuse is not about gender, it's about power. And anyone can be trapped in it. This is why so many victims stay longer than they should, not because they're weak, but because psychological abuse is confusing. It's a cycle of love and harm. It's, I love you right after you'll never survive without me. It's, I'm sorry followed by, you made me do it. So tonight I'm asking all of us to make a promise. Let's stop equating niceness with goodness. Let's stop thinking abuse only looks one way. Let's stop protecting reputation over people. Abusers don't wear labels, but healing begins when we become the warning system. Let us be the friends who check in, the neighbors who listen, the brothers and sisters who say, you don't have to go through this alone. Let us create a world where no one has to choose between being hurt or being believed in. Because sometimes the most dangerous person in the room is the one everyone is praising. And sometimes the strongest thing we can say is, I see you, I believe you, I stand with you. Thank you.
With that being said, I just want us to look at the person next to you and say, my neighbor, if you keep quiet, you are helping him. If you speak out, you are helping all of us. Thank you.